أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من شر ما هلك. How do you like your fufu? Do you like it soft, hard, or medium? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make fufu without pounding, without stirring it on the stovetop, and it's very simple and easy. Here's the quickest fufu. To start, I added plantain fufu flour into my bowl. I added some water to mix it up. Over here, it's very important to make sure you mix it very well to prevent any lumps. And over here, if you want your fufu to be very hard, soft, or medium, this is where it all happens. So with me, I want it in the medium, so I will make sure I add the water according to the texture. So if you want it to be very hard, you put little water. If you want it to be softer, you add more water. Don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna put all the ingredients down below. How are you guys doing? A warmly welcome to each and every one of you taking the time to watch my videos. To my returning viewers, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe to your girl and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time that I upload a video. So over here, I was just adding the water according to the consistency that I'm looking for. As I mentioned earlier, I didn't want a very a medium soft, so that is the consistency I'm looking for, just that. This recipe is for a day that you do not want to do much, but you still want to have some swallow. That is very perfect to make this recipe. It's stress-free, easy, and very simple to make. After mixing that to that consistency, I went ahead to put it in my microwave. I added 3 minutes and 30 seconds. For this recipe, you would have to adjust it according to the quantity that you are making, and mind you, you can make it in bulk portion as well. Yes, stress-free. Yes, and in Ramadan we do not we don't have the time to stay in the kitchen to stir it on the stove top. We can equally do this and enjoy our fufu. After taking it out in the microwave, I went ahead to stir it. Over here, it's very hot, so you have to be very careful. I would suggest you use a plastic or kind of bowl that will be very easy with the to prevent you from hurting yourself. And over here I was just stirring it, and look at that. That is very soft, very fluffy, and perfect. It is very difficult where I am to get plantain unless it's in season before you will even be lucky to get it at the grocery market. So you just have to do what you have and still enjoy your meal. This is the consistency that I'm looking for, and just look at that. It was perfect, and by now I know you guys know fufu is one of my favorite meal to eat. So if you've been watching me till now, kindly subscribe to your girl and share this video to anybody that is going to be helpful for. And don't forget to give me a like. That helps with my channel as well. After stirring it, now is the time to mold it. Just look at this fufu. You wouldn't even believe it when they say it's from a microwave. Just look at that. And as usual, we have to go in and mold it. This process took me about 5 minutes. So and as I mentioned earlier, if you want to do it in a bulk, you just have to know the ratio of your flour and the ratio of the water that you will put in, and you have to ensure that at the mixing of the flour, there isn't any lumps in it, and after getting it out from the microwave as well, you have to stir it very well to prevent any lumps. And as you can see, I finished everything and I had some good meat, light soup that I was enjoying it with. And yeah, the only thing that is left right now is for us to serve. And yeah, my baby is waiting for us to dig in. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you do enjoy my videos. I upload on Wednesdays and Fridays, and I'm gonna go ahead to leave some Ghanaian recipes and some other recipes as well. And I'll be uploading some more Ramadan recipes as well. So look forward to that. Just look at that fufu. It was so delicious. Bye.